Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. I hope you all doing good by God's grace. Let's get into today's video session. Chapter 1, What is Chemistry About? Part 2. In last class, we have learned these things. Science, define science. Science is a systematic study of natural world on fact, learned by careful observation and experimentation. Next, we have learned chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of substances and transformation. Chemical reaction. When there is a chemical change in a substance, we say it as a chemical reaction has takes place. How chemistry evolved. Human beings have continually made an effort to lead a better life. Next one, alchemy. Alchemy have two main aims, converting a cheaper metals into gold, and another one is searching for elixir of life. In last class, we learned that the four element theory was disproved. Basis of alchemy theory was incorrect. That leads to the formation of the beginning of modern chemistry. In the later 18th century AD, Lavoisier found that mixture of hydrogen and oxygen when ignited which means burnt, a spark, a water drops are formed. When hydrogen and oxygen are ignited, water drops are formed. Both the hydrogen and as well as an oxygen were element. It's not an compound. Next, hydrogen and oxygen when ignited together, it leads to the formation of an water drops. Lavoisier proved that water itself is made up of still simpler substance, hydrogen and oxygen. So water is not an element. Water is an compound. Water is not an element. Instead of hydrogen and oxygen is learn by heart. Oxygen was prepared by Princely. Oxygen was prepared by Princely. Who prepared an oxygen? Princely. And identified by the Lavoisier. Identified by the Lavoisier and prepared by the Princely. In the year 18th century. In 18th century. Dash prepared hydrogen. Robert Boyle prepared hydrogen. Who prepared an hydrogen? Robert Boyle. Today we have 115 elements have been discovered so far. In periodic classification, in periodic table we have an 118 elements, but so far 115 were named. To name a few elements, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, silver, gold, copper, etc. Compound. When two or more elements combine together, they form a compound. When two or more elements combine together, they form a compound. Example of compounds. Table salt known as sodium chloride. Sodium plus chlorine, which leads to the formation of an sodium chloride. We eat this as a salt in our food is a compound made up of sodium and chlorine. Here sodium and chlorine are element. Sodium and chlorine are element. Sodium chloride is a compound. When two elements are combined together to form a compound, sodium and chlorine are element and sodium chloride is a compound. Water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is a gas. Carbon plus oxygen which gives carbon dioxide. Carbon and oxygen are element present in carbon dioxide. Sugar is a compound. Concept of atoms and molecule. John Dalton put forward atomic theory. Who put forward the atomic theory? John Dalton. Atom. Atom, it is the smallest part of an element. Atom is the smallest part of an element which cannot exist independently. Atom which cannot exist independently. Where in the case of molecule, molecule can exist independently. Atom which cannot exist independently. It needs another atom of an same kind. It needs an another atom of an same kind. For example, if I'm taking oxygen, O2. It needs O atom plus another O atom. One oxygen atom needs another atom, which leads to the formation of an oxygen element. For example, atoms of carbon are the different from that hydrogen. Different element have different atoms. Different element have different atoms, whereas same element have same kind of atoms. Whereas same elements have same kind of atoms. Molecules. Molecule is capable to exist independently. An atom may combine with another atoms of same element to form molecule. An atom may combine with another atom of the same element to combine molecule of an element. A molecule can exist independently, but atom generally does not. Molecule can exist independently, atom generally does not. That's why an atom of hydrogen combined with the another of a same element to form molecule of an hydrogen. Similarly, two atoms of oxygen combine together to form a molecule of an oxygen. Two atoms of an oxygen combines together to form a molecule of an oxygen. When two atoms, when two different elements combine together to form a molecule of an compound. Molecule of an element means same atoms are combining. Molecule of a compound means two different elements are combined. It leads to formation of a molecule of an compound. So when atom of different elements combine together, what is formed is a molecule of an compound. For example, molecule of an element. An atom may combine with the another atoms or atom to form a molecule of an compound. O is a symbol of oxygen. One oxygen atom combined with the another oxygen atom leads to the formation of an oxygen element. Hydrogen atom combined with the another hydrogen atom leads to the formation of an hydrogen element. One nitrogen atom combined with the another nitrogen atom leads to the formation of an nitrogen element. Molecule of a compound. When two different atoms combine together, they form a molecule of an compound. When two different atoms combine together, they form a molecule of an atom. Example, hydrogen is reacted with an oxygen which gives water as a compound. Hydrogen and as well as an oxygen both were an element. Water is an compound. In the case of carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen both were element and carbon dioxide is a compound. So when atom of different elements combine together, what is formed is a molecule of an compound. It's a molecule of an compound. For example, an atom of oxygen combined with two of hydrogen to form a molecule of an compound water, and one atom of carbon combines with two of oxygen to form a molecule of an compound carbon dioxide. The classification of elements. Mendeleev gave the periodic table in 19th century to classify the elements. Mendeleev gave the periodic table in the 19th century to classify element. What was the need of classification? As more and more elements were being discovered, it became difficult to remember them. For example, you all in a categorized into section of different classes. Am I right? So when similar elements are placed in a particular group, it became very convenient and easy to remember the elements. What is periodic table? It is divided into columns and row. It is divided into columns and row. Columns are known as group. Columns are known as groups. So how many columns we having means we having 18 vertical columns. We having 18 vertical columns. They are called as group. Rows are known as period. Rows are known as period. Seven horizontal rows are known as in period. Elements with same property are arranged in same group. Elements with same property are arranged in same group. This is the periodic table. The founding fathers of chemistry. The founding fathers of chemistry. Robert Boyle. Robert Boyle, born on 25th January 1627. Robert Boyle, born on 25th January 1627, carried out research in various subjects like chemistry, physics, oceanography, gemology, blood science, and so on. He studied behavior of gases. He studied behavior of gases. He discovered that at a fixed temperature the volume of gas at the fixed temperature of volume of gas decreases with increases with decreasing pressure. This is called Boyle's law. State Boyle's law you will get in 2 mark. At a fixed temperature the volume of gas at a fixed temperature the volume of gas decreases with increasing pressure and increases with decreasing pressure. This is known as Boyle's law. Anton Lavoisier. Anton Lavoisier, born on 26th August 1743. Anton Lavoisier, born on 26th August 1743. His contribution to chemistry was he changed the nature of chemistry. He changed the nature of chemistry from qualitative to quantitative. Lavoisier is also known as a father of modern chemistry. Who is known as a father of modern chemistry? Lavoisier. Lavoisier is known as a father of modern chemistry. He obtained oxygen. He obtained oxygen. He proved substance burn only in the presence of air. He proved that substance burn only in the presence of oxygen and also that while burning a substance combined with oxygen. While burning the substance combined with oxygen. He suggested that metric system of weight and measurement. He suggested the metric system of weights and measurement. He established sulfur is an element, not a compound. He established sulfur is an element, not a compound. He predicted the existence of silicon. He predicted existence of an silicon. He suggested better way system of naming an element. He suggested a better system of naming an element and compound. He suggested the matter may change its form, shape, but not its mass. He suggested the matter may change its form and shape, not its mass. John Dalton. John Dalton, born on 6th September 1766. 6th September 1766. Dalton laid the foundation of modern chemistry by advancing atomic theory. The salient feature of atomic theory are atoms are extremely small are called atom. Atoms are extremely small are called atoms. The atoms of same element are alike. The atoms of same elements are alike. Atoms cannot be created or destroyed. Atoms cannot be created nor be destroyed. Atoms of different kinds combine to form compound. Atoms of different kinds combine to form a compound. Atoms arrange themselves in chemical reaction. Atoms arrange themselves in chemical reaction. He also gave law of chemical combination, the law of multiple proportion. He also gave law of chemical combination or the law of chemical multiple Dmitry Mendeleev. Mendeleev born on 8th February 1834. He is best known classification of element. He best known for classification of element. He presented a periodic table of element. He presented a periodic table of an element. He studied origin and composition of an petroleum. So here we completed our chapter 1. Today's assignment: who prepared oxygen and hydrogen? Who prepared oxygen and hydrogen? Oxygen prepared by Princely and identified by Lavoisier. Oxygen prepared by Princely and identified by Lavoisier. Hydrogen prepared by Robert Boyle. Hydrogen prepared by Robert Boyle. Define the following terms. Atom. Atom, it is the smallest part of an element. Atom, it is the smallest part of an element. Molecule. An atom may combine with other atom of same element to form molecule. An atom may combine with another atom of same element to combine molecule to form molecule which cannot exist independently, compound. When two or more elements combine to form compound. When two or more elements are combined to form compound. Periodic table. Seven horizontal rows are called period. 18 vertical columns are called groups. Seven horizontal rows are called periods and 18 vertical columns are called groups. Who disproved four element theory of Greek? Who disproved four element theory of Greek? Lavoisier disproved the four elements theory of Greek. Thank you.